Welcome to the show, everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We're going to be talking about a Mercedes van Sprinter and the key that needs a battery replacement. So this is a factory original, and that's my brand new one, and here's an old one. How do you replace the battery? I want brand new batteries in it. And I picked these up at Walmart, Rayovac, and the battery is, let's see, what's the number on it? There it is. It's a 2025. So that's going to be the battery you need, a 2025. They just happen to have Rayovac, which is fine. They'll last me forever because I'm never going to really push these. This actually lasts 7 years. And you want to see how easy it is to replace this? First of all, you got to find out where on this key is the battery compartment. Looks pretty sealed, doesn't it? Well, if you'll notice, right here, it says, make sure I can see it, it says to push that way. There's a couple of little teeny arrows, one there and one there. So you're going to want to push with your fingers, just like that. And I just slung a battery across the room. But it takes 2 batteries. So it's that easy. You pop out the old batteries. Here's the cover. So the plus is going to be on top, just like this. You're going to set them both up there just like that, and you will be happy. So let's put in the new batteries. So I went to Walmart and I bought these new batteries. Only cost me about $7. There's the number on it. It's a 2025. You can open it up along the dotted line. These cases, they don't want kids to swallow them. And I don't blame them, really. It'd be terrible, wouldn't it? This says Rayovac on it. Go to Walmart, pick yourself up some batteries. They're pretty fresh at Walmart. If you got a Walgreens or a drugstore around you, that's probably the freshest batteries you're going to find. But Walmart works just as well. You don't want nobody getting in these batteries. They make it tough. Look at how hard this is to get to these batteries. Now I had some Duracell I opened up the other day, and I'm telling you, they were double, triple sealed so well you can't believe it. Let's go ahead and put these batteries in, at least one of them, show you how it works. So we're going to put it down so the plus is up. Get this other one open. Man, oh man, that is tough. That is really tough. Fingers are hurting just trying to get in here. All right, there's a brand new one there. They're pretty thin. They call these coin cell batteries. There it is, a 2025. You put it in just like this. I don't think it has to go under that. Hope not anyway. All right, and we got a cover for it. Now this is a brand new one, so we want to put on the new cover. That's so nice. Like this. You got the plus sticking up there, and it pops in from both ways. It doesn't slide. It just pops on just like that. And we should have a working unit. I'll go out and test it. I'll let you guys see that in the end. So stay till the end, I'll test them. So I got one down. Stick it right over there. And I think your hardest time is going to be getting the batteries out. Maybe if I do it like this, let's see. I go like this. Yeah, you know what? I think this is probably the way they do it. Yep. That's how you're going to do it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Ooh. Whoever designed this, they get an A for suffrage. Okay, got that down. So this is a brand new case as well. I just put it on my keychain so I'd be able to show you guys. So nice. Here's the cover. So you wouldn't even really have to take it off your keychain. Oh, that's popped on. Pretty cool, huh? Nice. There's no light that shows you this is working. So you really won't know until I go out there. There we go. We got it popped down. Now let's go out and see if they work. Stay till the end. I'm going to go outside and see if they work. Look at that. The unveiling door and lock tips. Yeah, that's cool. Please hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends. I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Yeah! Hit that like button, smash it. Come on, smash it. Let's see, it's the Key Ninja watch. Yeah. 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 So let's go test it. Don't forget to hit the like button. It helps the algorithm. Okay, guys, let's see if it works. So we're going to push the unlock. Yeah. So the first one works. The lock. Yep. And then we'll push the unlock. Yep, they all work now. Hooray for us. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, guys. Hit that like button and we'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Yeah. Hey, guess what? I found one more key. One more. So I have four of these bad boys.
For what?
For my truck. Anyway, she doesn't know I'm videoing right now. Thanks, guys. Tell your friends we'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future.
This is the day that we extend the telescoping antenna mast into the air. It's going to reach an altitude of 34 feet. It's already 3 sections are extended and we have 2 remaining sections to extend, but they're the tough ones. That's why my buddy Mike is here to help me out.
All right, here we go.
And now I would like to show you the finished product at full elevation. This is my VHF UHF antenna at an altitude of 34 feet above sea level. So I can pick up the moon from here. Ta-da! Ta-da!
So what do you think? You ready to buy?
I'm sold.
He's sold. And see, it's that little unit right there. That's it. He's a happy man.
That's it.
So it's buy now.
Let's go.
Subscribe to my channel, guys. I want to tell you more about doors and locks. Yes. Hey guys, the machine's back together. It came damaged in a box, but guess what? They walked me through it. So things can get damaged in shipping. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll have more door and lock tips like this in the future. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips, for more fun videos like this.